This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Welcome home to this move-in ready ground level condo located in the convenient and sought after neighborhood of Elmonica Station. This one bedroom, one bathroom home has a covered porch that welcomes you. Enjoy the spacious great room floor plan with high ceilings, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, pantry and dining area. All appliances including washer/dryer are included. The bathroom offers tile flooring, and a relaxing jetted tub. This home is perfectly positioned for easy access to public transportation, Elmonica Max Station plus major employers like Nike and Intel, and Tektronix. Enjoy the convenience of local shopping, dining and great schools. For more information, review the details below or contact